Number 1. 1990 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom, $3,000, South Vienna, Ohio. The 1990 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom represents the early evolution-powered era that helped redefine Harley-Davidson's reputation for reliability while preserving the timeless hardtail-inspired Softail styling. Early Evo Softails remain highly sought after for their classic appearance, smooth V-twin performance, and strong customization potential. According to the seller, this motorcycle had been stored for approximately 20 years before receiving fresh oil, fresh fuel, and a new battery to bring it back to life. It also comes with brand new Dunlop front and rear tires and is described as a great foundation for someone looking to own a classic Evo Harley. With its affordable price, this Softail offers excellent potential for its next owner. Number 2. 1980 BMW R65, $3,500, Richmond, Virginia. The 1980 BMW R65 is a compact member of BMW's respected Airhead family, combining the brand's dependable Boxer twin engine with lighter handling and everyday practicality. Its balanced performance and classic styling continue to make it a favorite among vintage BMW enthusiasts looking for an enjoyable all-around motorcycle. According to the seller, this example was previously owned by a BMW motorcycle mechanic and has recently been serviced, with the bike reportedly running perfectly. It also includes period BMW hard saddlebags and 2 helmets, adding extra value to an already well-maintained package. For buyers seeking an affordable classic BMW, this R65 is a very appealing choice. Number 3. 1985 Honda CB700 SC Nighthawk, $3,500, Wentzville, Missouri. The 1985 Honda CB700 SC Nighthawk is a well-regarded sports standard motorcycle known for its smooth inline-4 engine, comfortable ergonomics, and Honda's legendary reliability. Built during the mid-1980s, the Nighthawk remains a popular choice for riders who appreciate classic styling with dependable everyday performance. According to the seller, this low-mileage example has received extensive recent maintenance, including rebuilt carburetors, rebuilt brake components, new tires, a new battery, fresh fluids, and a cleaned fuel system. It also includes a choice of Corbin seats and comes with a clean title. For enthusiasts looking for a ready-to-ride vintage Honda, this CB700 SC is an outstanding value. Number 4. 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750, $2,800, Flushing, Ohio. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville 750 is one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles, admired for its classic parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and rich motorcycling heritage. Bonnevilles from this era continue to be highly collectible thanks to their engaging riding experience and unmistakable British character. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs well and is equipped with good brakes, making it a straightforward classic that's ready to be enjoyed. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage Triumph with enduring appeal, this Bonneville presents an excellent opportunity. Number 5. 1972 Yamaha XS650, $1,500, Hamilton, Ohio. The 1972 Yamaha XS650 is one of Yamaha's most important classic motorcycles, introducing electric start and front disc brakes while combining British-inspired styling with dependable Japanese engineering. Early XS650 models remain especially desirable among collectors because of their historical significance and strong aftermarket support. According to the seller, this motorcycle is a rough but largely complete project that turns over but currently has no spark, despite replacement ignition coils. The fuel tank is described as clean inside, with only surface rust underneath, and it may still wear its original tires. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable first-year XS650 restoration project, this classic Yamaha offers plenty of potential. Number 6. 1967 Sears Allstate 250, $2,000, West Bloomfield, Michigan. The 1967 Sears Allstate 250 is a fascinating piece of motorcycle history, originally sold through the Sears catalog as a crate motorcycle. Powered by its rare two-stroke Twingle engine, this unusual machine has become increasingly collectible among enthusiasts who appreciate unique vintage motorcycles. According to the seller, this barn find example has been mechanically restored while preserving its original character and patina. Recent work includes new wheel bearings, tires, fork seals, carburetor rebuild, upgraded voltage regulator, new ignition components, and a fresh battery. For collectors looking for something truly different, this Sears Allstate is a rare and memorable find. Number 7. 1980 Kawasaki KZ250 Ltd. $1,000, Godfrey, Illinois. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ250 Ltd. offers classic cruiser styling in a lightweight, easy-to-ride package that has made it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Known for its dependable engine and simple maintenance, the KZ250 remains an affordable entry into the world of classic Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this example runs well and has received a new battery along with new front and rear tires and tubes. While the speedometer and tachometer are currently not working and the tank has minor paint wear, it comes with a clear title and is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 8. 1966 BSA Lightning Race Bike, $2,500, Mount Clemens, Michigan. The 1966 BSA Lightning is one of Britain's best-known performance twins, and this purpose-built flat-track and ice racing machine offers a unique chapter in its history. Featuring a lightweight racing frame, custom fuel and oil tank, rear disc brake, and competition-inspired components, it stands apart from a standard road-going Lightning. According to the seller, the engine turns over with compression, but is not currently running after sitting for several years. Offered with a bill of sale only, this project presents an exciting opportunity for collectors or vintage racing enthusiasts looking for a distinctive restoration. Number 9. 2000 Kawasaki Drifter, $2,500, Little River, South Carolina. The 2000 Kawasaki Drifter was designed to capture the appearance of classic American motorcycles while delivering modern reliability and comfort. This custom example takes that vintage-inspired look even further with extensive modifications that create a true old-school riding experience. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been completely rebuilt with numerous new parts, including fresh paint, new tires, and a new fuel tank. It also features a hand shifter and heel-toe shift setup, giving it a one-of-a-kind custom style. Although it does not include a title, it will be sold with a bill of sale, making it an interesting addition for collectors seeking something unique. Number 10, 1974 Suzuki TS-185, $800, Dexter, Michigan. The 1974 Suzuki TS-185 is a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle that earned a strong reputation for reliability, versatility, and enjoyable two-stroke performance. Early TS models continue to attract vintage trail bike enthusiasts thanks to their simple engineering and classic styling. According to the seller, this example runs and rides well, starts on the first kick, and has recently received new tires, replacement oil injection lines, a new brake cable, and mechanical servicing. While it still needs fork seals and some cosmetic attention, it comes with a clean title and a vintage Bassani exhaust, making it an affordable and appealing classic Suzuki project.